Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Our last video was about land reforms where we discussed about how to make notes and accordingly how to make notes in this way that revision is possible. So definitely we have now learned how to exactly write down things so that whenever we want to come back and revise we are able to do it. So now we need to know that what all ways are there in which we can effectively and consistently keep up with our revision, so that at the last day it's not just about completing syllabus, it's about completing as well as revising. So here are 5 simple ways to revise for effective results. So let's begin with this video. For the practical ones who really do not need any note making or anything, because what they learn today they keep up in their mind that they have to come back to this and revise the next day, for those people it's really effective, it's really nice, and it's really quick to keep everything in your mind, and nothing is noted down or anywhere that you have to revise this way or that way or anything like that. So yes, for them it's easy and beneficial. So the first thing, if you are really practical enough to keep up with this, or you know that today you've learned this so you need to revise it and it's all in your mind already, it's stored, it's that way, so for you it's not a big problem. But for people like me who actually cannot go this way, practical aspect is one thing, but there are other things too. So if you believe in revising this way, do not follow any other method, that's the best way you can. But if you do not believe in this, there are other methods, and so let's see what are these other methods in this very video. If you are a diary lover like me, for you, yes, if today is 11th November and yesterday you studied about anything that you have, you noted down that yes, you have to revise such and such thing, you do Hindu analysis, you do answer writing, and you do a lot of other subjects that you decide that what all you need to complete according to the notes, according to the time. Then what you do is after that you go to 3 days later, or a week later, or any day in which you know that yes you can, and then you note down that date, that yes, if today you've studied history, what all in history you studied, and on that day you need to revise it. So if it's 17th November, you decide that after 10th November I'll go and study on that day. What you do is you write everything there and accordingly, and then what you do is you again go to another 1 month, that is on 10th December, you write the same thing, that yes, the so and so topic you need to revise, just like I've written it here on 10th November what I had to write, and accordingly you proceed. Next is through answer writing. Like for example, you've studied polity and then you come across the first question, that is EVM and elections. So you go accordingly, you go and revise EVM and elections. Then you have NCSC, you revise scheduled castes. Then you have financial emergency, you revise emergency that way. You have estimates committee, you revise estimates committee that way. You revise CAG in that way. So what you do is you refer to one question, you write that question, you know about that question, and then you look at the topic, and then you make sure that yes, everything about this topic is sure short, whatever I have learned already I'll revise it with this. Then this is the Hindu analysis video, you've already seen this video, and if you have not, the link is in description, first go and look into that. So this is the same topic, like if you have MSP in your article or anything like that, you go and revise the already learned MSP, and if you don't have this already learned, you go and make it down, like you sit down and make notes over this. This complete discussion is already done in this video, which is there in the description, so you can go and look it out there. So I'm not wasting time on this. Next, the last video, the last trick for today is the everyday and every night thing. So what happens is that every morning when you wake up, you revise whatever you've studied last day, and now when you're sleeping, before sleeping, what you do is you make out whatever you've studied the whole day, you schedule it out, and then you see whatever you've studied, you've summarized all of this, that yes, the major points, the major notes and everything. So you take out an hour for this, and thus you're done with your revision every day. So that's it. Alright guys, this was it with today's video. I hope that it helped. Initially I started with the diary practice myself, but then I couldn't keep it up with that. So my way of revising is answer writing Hindu notes, and I've compiled a lot of tricks and techniques so that uh, it's not just me limited to one thing, it's me limited to a lot of things. So yeah, this way you can proceed, you can start with one point and definitely you can apply all five. You can last come back to the practical aspect. So this is the five simple ways to revise for effective results, and I'm sure that no one point would disappoint you. So we meet next on Friday. Until then, keep studying and thanks for watching.